Hi friends, welcome back to Top to Tip. Today I came with a video how to check and clean fuel injectors of car. You know, fuel injector is the main part giving the petrol to the engine, and if there is any issue with the fuel injector, it will hardly affect your car mileage. So let's see how to do fuel injector cleaning. Welcome back. Today we are going to clean and check the fuel injector what we have right here. The first procedure is removing the dirty parts from the fuel injector like the washers. Once we remove the washers, we will grind it well. Then we will put this one into petrol and clean it well with a brush. Then we will remove the old filter from the fuel injector, because this one have more carbon deposit, so we should clean or change that one. Then we will put the fuel injector to the liquid with ultrasonic cleaning. It will take 12 minutes. We will keep it for 12 minutes for a deep clean. Here are the old filters. Now we can set the machine with suitable knobs to connect the injector to the machine. We'll take the injector from the liquid and mount it into the machine. We will grind it well. Now it's ready to connect. In this machine we will check the pressure and flow of petrol to the engine. It should act as a high density sprayer or a gunshot. Now we will give the input petrol and connect the connectors to pass the signal. Here begins the test. Here we are checking the spraying efficiency. It should have spray like a fire. It should not have any leakage or dropping or anything. You have to check this very well to find the bad injector. You can see there's some stain coming after the process. Now we will test the outcome. It should have, all the cylinders should have equal level of petrol. Here you can see there is some missing, so that injector we will clean manually by different methods. Here is the methods we are using to clean that one manually. Once we clean it manually, we will repeat the procedure of checking until we will get the right result. After lots of cleaning procedures, we get a good result. Here you can see the final result. The level should be equal in all the cylinders. Then you can know the injectors are working fine. If there is any mismatch here, that's cause our mileage.
iya, iya, gitu, ini kayak gitu.